Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now viewers and subscribers, this is a quick update about the incident where it is said that the body of a missing 8-year-old boy had been found in the Kingston Harbour, and that is Kingston of the country of Jamaica, and this said to have happened on the 23rd of January 2020. That would be Thursday the 23rd of January 2020. And it is also said that the stepfather of the child is a suspect of this whole incident that had happened. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there that the stepfather of the child had been held by the police. Alright, and this said to have happened on the 25th of January 2020. That would be Saturday the 25th of January 2020, and it is said that this had happened in the parish of Trelawney. Now, according to reports, it is said that the police acted on information that they had received and made a raid at a certain location where the suspect had been held. Now, according to reports, the suspect had not been heard or seen from the 21st of January 2020. That is around the time when it has been reported that the boy had been missing, before the body had been found on Thursday the 23rd of January 2020. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on reports that is out there, and that there might be more information about this whole incident that had happened. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, remember now, the boy is said to be from a St. Andrew address, that is the parish of St. Andrew, right? And the person which is said to be the stepfather had been held by the police all the way in the parish of Trelawney. Is what I'm saying to you viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, me just point out that to you a while ago. And with that, this is where I'm going to leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall all the day, so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.